Hello, Tensei, bonjour, and good morning, everybody. Dallas Arcand here, live for Pow-wow Dance Aerobics. This is my daily class I've been doing ever since COVID started. So, anyways, I thought I would say hello and good morning to everybody. This is my new location. I'm still scouting out new locations here, still getting settled into my new place here in Kelowna, BC. This is the Okanagan territory, beautiful territory. Right here on the boardwalk of the beach. Just finished my morning jog, my morning warm-up. So I just wanted to go through a few stretches with you and a few little, just a reminder as well for all of you to be, reminding you to work out in the morning like I've been doing. I've been really focusing on my personal development here, and I'm here for good healing purposes and everything like that, so I had to change it up from where I was living. So anyways, I just thought I would say good morning to everybody and share this beautiful view with you. This is the marina where close by my place. I just wanted to share the view. Look at how calm the water is, calm, beautiful, and pristine. This is the kind of environment that I'm sure if you meditated enough, you can go to it in your mind. But I'm actually here in the physical, and maybe someday when I need to, I will actually come back to this place in my mind. I don't know, you never know. Maybe I'm going to retire in this place someday. It's close to my daughter. My daughter lives just down yonder. She just lives down the road. So anyways, I want to do some stretches with you guys now that I've done my warm-up. Remember my program that I've been doing all along. I've always done the warm-up first, stretching, and then some exercising, as well as some strength conditioning and some peak performance items as well. So anyways, I'm going to start out with some stretches now that I've done my warm-up. I'm pretty warm, so I'm going to do some stretches now with you guys. Stretch out the arms, everything. I'm like one of the first persons up this morning, so it's nice to be up and enjoy the sunshine. Yeah, I'm so much more active here. So much more of a better place here. I'm enjoying it. I'm loving it. So anyways, gonna go through some stretches now. Lock your fingers together and try to pull your hands apart. This one's a great one if you want to stretch your upper back. This is really great for that. Yeah, it's really good. All right, so yeah, probably in a couple days I'm going to have a better, more secure location where I can set up my stand and do the actual powwow dancing aerobics. I'm still scouting out locations right now, and yeah, it's just beautiful. Like, I'm just enjoying every minute of it out here. So anyways, gonna finish my stretches with you, and I just want to say good morning to all of you, and hope that you guys are doing good. Today I get to see my daughter. She's coming out here to visit, and yeah, I'm super excited about that. So right on. If you guys don't know my daughter, her name is Meadow, and I'm really happy to finally be out here to spend some time with her. And this whole pandemic and lockdown has really been hard on all of us, limiting our abilities to go and visit our loved ones. But anyways, I'm here, and she's actually turning 18 next month, so I'm really super excited about that. So anyways, I'm going to continue on with my stretches. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, beautiful way to start the day anyway. All right, how you guys doing out there? All right, I see that Meadows grandma's online, so good morning, White. That's how we say hello in Okanagan. Even when you say hello to the water, you say white. Say hello to the mountains, you say white. It's like saying tanse in our language. We say tanse, tanse, from Alexander First Nation. All right, I'm gonna finish stretching now. I'm gonna stretch out my legs now. Get my ankles stretched now. Stretching out that area. Just finished a nice jog on the beach. It was beautiful. Beautiful place to jog. Ooh, I get a handrail today. Get to use a handrail and basically stretch out the calf muscles. This is excellent. I gotta come and stretch at this place more often. Anyways, gonna continue on now. A couple more stretches. Same old. So stretching out that calf muscle. All right, a couple more and I'm done. And I'm enjoying this new location, this new paradise in the Okanagan. I love it out here. I love the water. You know, this is like the California of Canada, so it's really awesome. Okay, let's stretch out a couple more times here. It should be done. Ooh, there's some ducks. All right. There we go. So, beauty's in the eyes of the beholder. Look at those beautiful ducks. They just landed, and yeah, they're hunting. What you? Oh, sorry. Bless me. All right. So I'm gonna do a couple more exercises. I'm gonna do the mountain climber exercises. I'm going to do the 6-part exercise that I like to do. So the first one being the mountain climbers. Go like this, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. So those were mountain climbers. And the next ones I'm going to do is the knee-high kicks, like this. So do that for 20 seconds. It'll work out the core and abdominal muscles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so there's those ones. And next ones we're gonna do the squat jumps. So squat jumps, simple, just squat down and jump up like that. So we're gonna do that for 20 seconds. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh man, that's a real burner, that one. All right. Gotta have a shot of water after that one. Okay. So now that we're done that, we're gonna do some lunges, some switch lunges. I've been actually doing the stairs a lot because our building, we're on the 4th floor. So instead of taking the elevator me, my girlfriend, and her daughter, we've all decided to take the stairs. So just a little note to self, or note to you guys, that if you ever see an elevator and you have the options to take the stairs, you can get a workout by just not taking the elevator. Simple. And it does make a difference. So I've been going up those stairs about 10 times a day. So 4 floors, 10 times a day, up and down. And that's just average. I imagine I do a little bit more too. So anyways, so the lunges, I lunge up the stairs actually, because I do 2 at a time. So I'm just sharing that little life hack with you, if you will. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. Oh, that was great. All right, well, I pretty much went through my stretches with you guys. I just wanted to do a quick update with everybody this morning and share some of this beautiful scenery and let you know I'm still doing my workouts, and encouraging you guys to take care of yourself as well and work out, because you know it's like my life coach says, you know, you must participate in your own rescue. So if you want to get healthy again, you want to get in shape again, it's just, there's no gimmick to it other than getting to it. So yeah, anyways, thanks for always sharing and supporting each and every one of you, especially in these times. I promise I'll get the normal programming of Pow-wow Dance Aerobics back up and running. This is only my first week here. I've only literally been here for like 4 days at my new location here in the mountains in Kelowna, the beautiful Okanagan territory. So yeah, I just thought I'd share my view with you, share what I gotta wake up to every morning. And I'm grateful, I'm thankful, and I will continue to share these beautiful moments. And by showing my gratitude, I'm just gonna go out there and enjoy it all. Hiking, hunting, biking, going out on the water, and yeah, this is beautiful. So you guys have yourself a good day, and we'll catch you again soon. And in the meantime and in between time, keep fit, have fun, stay safe, and you guys have a great day. Have a beautiful, blessed day. All right, peace out.